This is a guide on replacing a screen on a Lenovo ThinkPad Carbon X1 7th Gen. For the replacement process, we need the following tools: a plastic pick, tweezers, and a set of adhesive strips. To begin, turn the laptop off and disconnect the power cord. The bezel is heavily glued into the back cover. Insert a plastic pick between the bezel and the LCD. Move it along the perimeter. Pull the bezel away while removing the strings of glue. Set the bezel aside. Using a plastic pick, separate the LCD panel and place it on the keyboard. Using the same plastic pick, peel off the clear tape securing the video connector. Open the connector's bracket. Disconnect the video cable. Discard the old screen. Place the new screen on the keyboard and reconnect the video cable. Close the connector's bracket and secure it with clear tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any of the connectors. As well, you must not twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Lift the screen up and lean it on the back cover. It is time to test the new screen. Reconnect the power cord and turn the laptop on. The screen is working, and we can finish the installation process. We are going to use double-sided adhesive tape to secure the screen to the back cover. It is mostly held in place by the bezel itself, and this is done for the convenience only. Cut 4 pieces of adhesive tape and apply them in the screen corners. Lift the screen up and apply some pressure at the corners. Now we can replace the bezel. Remove all the remaining glue from the inner surface. Cut 2 pieces of 1/8 inch double-sided adhesive tape, which you can buy on our site LaptopScreen.com, and apply them on the narrow vertical sides of the bezel. Cut 3 pieces of wider 1/5 inch double-sided super adhesive tape and apply them on the top and bottom sides of the bezel. Remove the protective film from the new LCD. Replace the bezel. Carefully align the bezel with the back cover and apply some pressure to catch the adhesive. Go around the perimeter, pressing the bezel in place. Reconnect the power cord. Turn the laptop on, and we're done.